Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best design tool for beginners by comparing Figma and Sketch. If you're looking for the best design tool for beginners in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Figma's growth has been a defining story in the design world. As of 2025, it commands an impressive market share of over 40%. Solidifying its position as the industry leader. This dominance is not just a trend. It's a reflection of its widespread adoption across companies of all sizes. Statistics show that the information technology and computer software industries are its biggest users, with over 22,000 companies combined leveraging the platform. In contrast, Sketch has carved out a dedicated niche, particularly among Mac-native design teams who value its performance and focused toolset. While Figma's browser-based accessibility has propelled its growth, Sketch remains a powerful and relevant contender, especially for established teams with Apple-centric workflows. The competition is no longer just about features but about entire ecosystems. Figma is AI-powered, prompt-to-code tool for rapid prototyping. It publishes designs directly to the web with responsive capabilities. While Sketch is flexible, has responsive layouts for UI design. It also has new containers for UI and illustration workflows. In 2025, the choice between Figma and Sketch is less about which tool is better and more about which philosophy aligns with your needs. Figma is aggressively expanding to become an all-encompassing platform for product creation, driven by collaboration and AI. Its dominance in the market is a testament to the power of accessibility and a seamless, real-time workflow. However, Sketch holds its ground by doubling down on what it does best, providing a highly performant professional-grade design tool for Mac users. With the introduction of Stacks and Smart Animate, it has closed key feature gaps while retaining the speed and stability its loyal user base loves. For teams that prioritize craft and performance in a Mac-native environment, Sketch remains an exceptional and highly relevant choice. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.